you completed the interviewing session, you are now to decide who to choose. And when you decide who to choose, of course, you are going to extend the offer to the successful applicants. This is what we call developing and extending job offer. This is the most critical part, actually. When you already make a choice, decide who to hire, and then you are going to send the answers to them. And prior to that, you need to make sure that your decision is the right decision. Remember, when we hire employees, we are actually looking for talents. So these are the final selection approaches that you may apply in order for you to have the right candidates joining your organization. Number one is judgmental approach. So judgmental approach, whereby not only your decision is influenced by the scoring, but also you notice a uniqueness in the personality or special characters of that applicant. And the uniqueness of that particular participant normally could be identified through subjective answers. So goes back to structured and unstructured. Structured ialah you have predetermined answers. At the end of the day, you have accumulation of scoring. And it seems that particular candidates scoring high. But seperti kata Wilfred, sometimes we have draw who to choose. So here, unstructured, spontaneous question, uniqueness of the particular applicant will determine he get the job, for example. So this is what we call judgmental approach. Consists of scoring as well as unstructured interview, spontaneous, special characters, personality traits, and of the interviewer. This is what we call interviewees, judgmental approach. The second one is statistical approach. For example, dia punya CV mengagumkan. But then, if we just realize on this, we are hiring robot. Maksud saya begini, he is good at other things, not yet entering our organization tahu. CV dia tu bagus. Dia punya scoring CV tu bagus. Tapi itu di organisasi lain, belum masuk kita punya organisasi. Remember last time I share about person organization fit, person job fit. Person job fit, he meet the expectation of the position. Person organizational fit, culture at workplace. So statistical approach dia punya disadvantage yang itu. Yang itu dia punya advantage. For example, dia punya score during interview high. But the real case, bila sudah kerja besok, suddenly he didn't know what to do. For example, it happened. And the last one is hybrid approach. We plus both judgmental and statistical in making decision. So itu hybrid. Now, my question is 1, 2, 3. Which one actually we should use in the final decision? Anybody?
Hybrid, doctor.
Emilia, hybrid.
Yeah.
Why Emilia? Emilia. Hybrid campur Emilia Hybria. Why Emilia?
Because it's a combination.
Okay.
Okay,
because combination Tapi kan Emilia. Okay lah, nanti saya ulas. Thank you Emilia. Siapa lagi yang mau coba? Silakan.
Hanafi.
Hanafi, sila.
Yeah, hybrid also.
Hybrid also, Okay.
Yeah, because it's balance between objectivity and with human factor.
Okay, objectivity and human factor, very good. Okay, saya buka lagi. So, Emilia dan Hanafi said hybrid approach, the best one. So, jawapan yang sebenarnya ialah Statistical and hybrid are more defensible. Judgmental is better than nothing. Apa maksud dia ni? Maksudnya ialah, okay, dia punya point begini ya. If you remember, I keep on saying the similar things. Job analysis goes back to job analysis. From job analysis, you will have job description, job specification. You already know the person in mind to be chosen. Yeah. So knowing this, why should you play safe by choosing hybrid? Contohlah, ya. And why you think choose 1 and 2 is the right choice rather than not choosing nothing at all? Yeah. So back to the question just now, yeah. I'm not saying hybrid salah, tidak. Hybrid could be number 1. I'm not saying also judgmental could not be number 1. And statistical mungkin dia di bawah sikit lah. The competition here is between judgmental and hybrid actually. So if you do the job analysis quite well, perfectly, you will use judgmental. Itu dia punya jawapan lah. Tapi if your job analysis a bit loose, then you might use hybrid approach. Yeah.